Yeah, no, that's a great question. I think my CFY year, or maybe the year after, I started doing some PRN work in a nursing home. And then I also had the opportunity to do some speech therapy in somebody's home. In home program, we would call it. So these particular students were getting some ABA type services. So they're having people come to their house to help support all different types of things, from just life skills types of things, academic types of things. And then I was a speech therapist kind of in the mix. And I just really loved it. I love learning and collaborating with everybody and seeing how much growth the students were, making. And I just knew that was it for me. I mean, I think it was probably one of my first years in the field. And then I took a position, I think it was my second year as a speech therapist in a non-public program. And then that was it. I'd say 19 years ago. And then I've just specialized in this. And I really love being able to help students who historically are hard to help. I like to be the one that says, okay, where are we at? What's going on? And how can I help? And I think that with my experience in a public school and also my experience working in non-public programs, I've always worked, so when I say non-public programs, it's usually for students who have unsafe or problem behavior that allows them to be in this non-public program as their least restrictive environment, that they could not be or they are not educated appropriately in a public school. And so I've always split my time between those two types of programs until my own business got too busy. And so I think having that insight into, okay, well, this is how this works in a public school. These are the players. This is how I can support students. This is how a non-public program works. And this is how a speech therapist can be instrumental on the team in this program. And they're very, very different. And I think if you haven't been in the trenches and you haven't walked the walk and you don't know all the nuanced things that are taking place, it's hard to know. It's hard to know how you can be impactful in each setting until you've actually done it.